How to tell if TensorFlow is using poo acceleration from inside Python shell? I have installed TensorFlow in my Ubuntu 16.04 using the second answer here with Ubuntu's built-in apt-CUDA installation. Now my question is, how can I test if TensorFlow is really using poo? I have a GTX 960 meters poo. When I import TensorFlow, this is the output. Is this output enough to check if TensorFlow is using poo?
No, I don't think OpenCUDA library is enough to tell, because different nodes of the graph may be on different devices. When using TensorFlow 2. For TensorFlow 1, to find out which device is used, you can enable log device placement like this. Check your console for this type of output.
Apart from using ses equals tf.session config equals tf.config protolog underscore device underscore placement equals true, which is outlined in other answers as well as in the official TensorFlow documentation, you can try to assign a computation to the CUDA and see whether you have an error. Here. CPU, 0, the CPU of your machine, /CUDA:0, the CUDA of your machine, if you have one. If you have a CUDA and can use it, you will see the result. Otherwise you will see an error with a long stack trace. In the end you will have something like this. Cannot assign a device to node matmul, could not satisfy explicit device specification /device CUDA:0 because no devices matching that specification are registered in this process. Recently a few helpful functions appeared in TF. tf.test.is_CUDA_available tells if the CUDA is available. tf.test.CUDA_device_name returns the name of the CUDA device. You can also check for available devices in the session. Devices will return you something like
Following piece of code should give you all devices available to TensorFlow.
TensorFlow 2.0. Sessions are no longer used in 2.0. Instead, one can use tf.test.is_CUDA_available. If you get an error, you need to check your installation.